Hey guys, I'm outside today and it's been snowing all day today, and tomorrow my school got canceled, so tomorrow I will not have school. Tomorrow is a snow day, so guys, don't forget, stay tuned for that video to come out. And guys, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you want to see more video of snows, let me know, guys. Let me know if you want to see more video of snow. And look at this, it's so deep, guys. Look at the snow, it's so deep. But guys, if you want more videos of the snow, let me know, guys. And guys, don't forget, stay tuned for more crazy videos like this and more fun videos like this too. This is a crazy video, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy, guys. We got people shoveling snows, we got people moving snows, we got snow plowers plowing snows, we got people. That's crazy. And it's still snowing right now, and the weather forecast said we'll get like 14 inches of snow and more inches of snow. That's crazy, guys. We are in a snowstorm right now, guys. Holy moly, we're in a snowstorm right now, guys, and it's snowing all day today. It's been snowing all day today. I have not seen the snow stop once today. So we got a lot of snow on the ground. You can see, guys, and it's so crazy. My camera is getting covered in snow, so I'm going to end the video before my camera breaks on me, because I don't want the camera to break. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, and stay tuned for more videos like this. And guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the snow day video. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Don't forget, give a thumbs up. And guys, we're in a snowstorm. It's crazy, and it's pretty deep, and it's so crazy. It's pretty deep, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Look at how deep the snow is. Wait, you can't see my shoes at all, guys. That's how deep the snow is. Holy moly, that's how deep the snow is, guys. I'm gonna go inside, get warm up, and guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a video of the snow day video for you guys. So don't forget to get a thumbs up, and don't forget, stay healthy. And guys, let me know, do you have snow in your area? Let me know, guys. Do you have snow in your area? Let me know, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. And this is where this is my life. This is my life, guys. It is snowing, and this is my life, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Peace out. Really love you guys so much, and see you guys tomorrow for the snow day video, guys. See you guys next time. Goodbye. This is my life. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Peace out.